Hello, friends. This is Wendy with Cannin, Plannin. I am a direct sales planner coach that helps mompreneurs and busy business owners set goals, build habits, and create a task list that they can work from so they can take back control of their 24 hours. Thank you for joining me for our Monday Live. Today, we are going to be talking about organizing your Canva. All this month on Cannin Plannin channels, we have been talking about organization as far as getting things organized and in place so that you can be better organized and have better time management skills so that you can make more money, right? Because that's what it's all about when you are in direct sales and small businesses. You are trying to make some money and do the things in your own personal style. So, one of those things I highly want to stress is that when we take time to organize the systems that we have in place, it will make it easier for us to save both time and money. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Google Drive that I brought for you guys today. So I'm going to share, this is my Google Drive. You guys are looking at exactly what it is that I have organized in my Google Drive, and I'm going to share with you guys how I do this. So you're going to see as I come in here that I'm going to click new and I can create a new folder. One of the things that I highly recommend with organizing your Google Drive is to utilize your folder system, just like we did in our Canva. You're just going to do it more in your Google Drive with documents, PDFs, trainings, if you are in trainings, downloads that you've gotten from various coaches over the course of the time. So I kind of want to walk you through some of the strategies that I utilize for doing my organizing of this particular Google Drive. So I'm going to skip this 12 days of goal setting. We'll come back to it, but I want to walk through a couple of things. If you are a leader in direct sales, you're probably going to be organizing some form of reports. And yes, the majority of our stuff is on paper, but I do weekly reports and monthly reports for my business, and I have them organized by year. I do have a major folder that these are in, and it is called the Harmony Hero Reports. The Harmony Heroes is the name of my team. Within this folder, you will see that I have reports starting with 2021, 22, and 23. Okay. The only one I don't have in there right now is 2024, and that's because I am currently working on it. I don't need to have all of those out because it just clutters up my workspace. So I do have my 2024 folder open. Within here, I have reports for each month. So January and February, we haven't started March yet. So this is where we are. I track the Harmony Hero tops or my team's tops for the year so that I can do rewards and awards at the end. I track their month end totals. So I like to find out how many people we have working versus how many are qualified and all of those kinds of things. My own totals for the year. And then the other thing I track is I have a spreadsheet with all of the states in which our Harmony Heroes are a part of, so that when I am working on our map for the year, I can go, or for the month and updating it, I can go in and look and see who's here, where they're from. And then if I have somebody that's looking for a brand ambassador in a certain place, I can go right to that and be able to find that so that I can share that with a customer or another brand ambassador. That's what I have in my monthly reports. This is the yearly for 2024. The next one is blog articles. I do a couple of things with blog articles. These are blog articles that I may have started at one time, or I had them on another channel and I wanted to transfer them over. So I have them saved here so that I have access to them in case I want to rewrite them or I want to do something different with them. So I do have a place for my own blog articles, not to be confused with blog articles from other people, but blog articles that I have written that I want to maintain. The next thing is content plan PDFs. I do sell the content plans that Harmony, or excuse me, that Cannin Plannin puts together each month. These are located here for you to be able to grab. The March one is now available. If you are not in the Plannin place, or you are not a Tool of 12 brand ambassador, you have access to these. They're $14 a month for you to grab. You get a a month's worth of graphics as well as a content plan. So those are housed in this particular folder. The next thing is random downloads that I need for my business. This could be downloads that I've gotten from Tool of 12. This is our Build a Planner PDF, top 10 tips for getting started with a paper planner. There is a Brain Dropbox trigger list, savings challenge, some other documents that I might need for Tool of 12, but these are just kind of random ones. They all lump together. The next thing I have here is our Harmony Heroes Tool of 12 binder. Yes, I incorporated a binder for my team that has all of the most up-to-date information that we have available for our company. So it's all in one place. We have a swatch file. We have the inserts and their layouts, onboarding checklist, a price list, insert list, the current host option, the comp plan. All of that stuff is housed here. And then under this Tool of 12 resource section, we have all of the resources available for them with all of the links that they can grab. So this is something that they are able to grab, print out as part of our onboarding system. The next thing I have is Harmony Hero graphic packs and scripts. Every month, I provide my team with a script for a party format and the graphics to go with it. Each one also has, let me just share with you guys the one we did for gnomes, something about coffee. So I have all of the graphics. The graphics for the party are listed here. And then they also have a PDF printout that they can share with their customers and a party script that has all of the verbiage that they can use to help them get started. So all of that is housed. Every month, I give them a new one. So that's all housed here in the Harmony Hero graphics section. There are also a couple of files for them to be able to utilize as well. All right, the next thing is, I already showed you the reports. These are workbooks. Every month I take the training that we have and I create workbooks for them so that they can go, and these are housed on our web page. So I have them they can go in and download them and be able to use them for their whatever purpose they need them. The next thing is our onboarding list. We work together with a couple of our other leaders and we created a full entire onboarding sequence. These are all the documents that go with it. Graphics, there is a graphic check, an onboarding email list, a launch party on the graphics that go with that. So all of the things together for them to be able to utilize for their onboarding system, and all of our heroes have access to that. I do keep a party door prize drawing folder. It gets cleaned out quite regularly, but I have two in there. So a party survey template and a vendor template. This makes it possible for me to do drawings and have those available for door prize drawings. The next thing I have is party hostess packet. So as I am checking in with my hostesses, I have the packets put together for them, including a digital packet that I have available. There is party scripts that I've put together. Mine are a little bit more comprehensive than the ones that I give for the team because I include my own personal touch and things like that. So I make a copy of the script I give to them, and then I incorporate my own conversation and the way that I talk so that it doesn't sound so generic. And the next thing I have is my folder for a personal shopper. If you guys do not have a personal shopper form available for your customers, I would highly suggest making one. This is something that you can make a form for, and it will help you with helping your customers find exactly what they might be looking for. If your website is anything like ours, sometimes it's hard to manage. Sometimes finding things that you're looking for, you might not know where to look. And so I utilize this opportunity for my customers. So I have a folder for all of the personal shopper forms I have created since I started using personal shopper forms. And there are quite a lot. So I have them all in there in case anybody comes back and says, hey, remember that one you gave me? And then I can access it. I have exclusives for my Queen Pea people, spring cleaning party. This was actually a workshop I ran with a Norwex rep. And so I have all of the documents that we use saved in one place. Plannin Place is my membership. So I have all the documents that I need for that one in one place, as well as for vendor events and the current workshops that I am hosting. The other things that you're going to find here is I have a couple of random things that don't really have a folder that they fit into. So these are just down here, but as you can see, there's like 14 of them. They're things that I use quite frequently or I don't use very frequently. And so they're not housed in any specific place because I don't want to forget where they are if and when I need to go ahead and use them. So friends, I hope this has given you guys some ideas of how you can start organizing your Google Drive. I promise you, if you take a little bit of time and organize what you are currently working in, whether it's your Google Drive, your Canva folder, your desktop, if you take some time to get that organized, it's going to save you time and money in the long run because you will be able to find the things that you need to find and spend time doing other things that are more income producing activities. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you find it so, please feel free to hit the share button and share it out with others. Thank you again so much for joining me for our Monday Live, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, friends.